videos on YouTube now, and they are split into sections in the play bar at the bottom, and then you can quickly see what the video is about in each section. I'm going to show you how to add these to your videos, and it is super quick and super easy. I'm Passione, one half of the Content Creator Pod, and we post tutorials and podcasts to help you grow your YouTube channel. So let's get started with this. So all you have to do is edit the description to include time codes. So for example here, I am just going to upload a video as I normally would. So here in the description section is where we're going to add our chapters. That's what YouTube likes to call those sections. So the first thing you want to do, and you have to do so that YouTube recognizes this, is start with a 00. So YouTube then recognizes that you are adding these chapters into your videos. All of them have to start from 0, which is your intro. Just give it a name, and then the next section you add is completely up to you, whatever the video is about. Just see what time that section starts. So when we're adding things here on YouTube, all we have to do is what time the section starts, and you'll go on until the next section starts, which would be the end of that section. So let's say I have something at 2 seconds 50, so I would put it there, something like this. I can do, I don't know, another one. And don't worry if these don't look like links to you and you can't see them. You can see on my end, it doesn't look like it's hyperlinked at all. So when you're editing the description, it just looks like normal text, but it should definitely be there once you upload it. So yeah, that is all you have to do. Literally just write the time in the description. It doesn't matter where in the description you write it. It can be at the top, it can be at the bottom. Really does not matter. YouTube will then put those chapters into your videos, and then people can see that. People can also click on those time codes and go straight to that section of the video. It doesn't matter if your title has spaces in it. You can see it still works. So it's what's to the right of the timestamp. That will be the title of the video. And if you forgot to add it to your video, or you want to go back and add to old videos, or even if you just made a mistake with the times, just go into edit the video in your YouTube library, and you can edit from there, you can add it from there. It works exactly the same way as I've shown you with a new video. For example, we could add here a section at 10 minutes and call it hack 5 if I had forgotten. So it's completely simple. Once you've saved it, it will show up as we've seen it. Like I said, don't worry if you can't see it when you're editing it, it will come up. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about posting on YouTube or video editing or whatever comes to mind, and I can see if I can help you. And if you want to get started posting on shorts, I definitely recommend checking out as well this video on how to post YouTube shorts. So I will see you there.